Hello, I'm Pixel and this is my first long form video. First, I want to thank you, the viewer, for clicking on this video. It's very nice of you to watch me talk about the things I like and why I even started this channel when you probably had way more interesting options on your feed. It means a lot to me, so thank you. And also, I want to apologize. This won't be some high quality video and the audio is kinda bad. I know I don't have any mic and I don't have a script either, so I just will be like talking with the flow, so it won't be perfect. So first, why did I even started this channel and what do I want to do with it? So I noticed that I'm just kind of sad when all I do is consume. I don't like doom scrolling. Sometimes, I just try to see why people find it so addicting. So I sit down with my phone and try to like scroll on YouTube Shorts because I don't have TikTok obviously, and and I just watch and I feel bored. It just doesn't feel good. I don't like it. So I wanted to create something, start a channel and be an active part of this world, not just a consumer, but one of the creators. So far I have only posted 6 videos. Don't worry, I will be doing more. But even just the fact that I already have one video that have over 1000 views, I know it's not a lot, but to me it really is much. So really thank you for it and thank for my 51 subscribers for their support. I wish that by the end of the vacation, so by 1st September, I will I want to reach 100 subscribers. Not 100,000 or even just 1,000, 100. Use that. It's not much. For you, it's just a click, and for me, it's lots of joy. Lots of joy. It really doesn't ask you much, just to click on the subscribe button and maybe like some of my previous shorts because drawing takes some time, and like you can see with the speed paint on the back of this video, but I still enjoy doing it a lot because I like art and I make art. That's what makes me an artist. And so I recently tried out digital art. Actually, I always had done only like DIY and traditional art. But recently, now that I got a tablet that I like to use for more than just like watching YouTube and playing video games, I really tried to um, I really tried to like do digital art. I had tried previously on my phone, but it wasn't good, and there it works really well. I like how it looks, it feels smooth, and so yeah, I see why people love it so much. I love it too, and honestly, I'm kinda sad that I didn't try earlier. So like, just when you watch my videos and see my drawings, keep in mind that I only started the digital art like 3 weeks ago. Before that, I hadn't really done anything with it. So I think that so far my progress is pretty good. I know that I still have a lot of things to learn, but I consider my drawings to be rather good for someone who like just started digital art. I do already have like some experience with traditional art, but I think that I'm not like a complete beginner. I have some understanding of anatomy, color theory, composition, and all that. It just that like training of it. I'm a bit more than beginner, but I'm still really not like a pro. I'm just, some teenager who likes to rant about the things they like and, make silly videos about fan arts and their video games and their friends and all that. By the way, shout out to my friend Stardust, a really cool creator. I've been there for a year, only have 100 subscribers. Please go subscribe to them. She's very cool. I love them. I know you will watch this video. Moi, I love you, Stardust. Um, so, and he does art too. We actually both does art. And so I want to talk about my journey in art so far. When I was a kid, like you can guess many artists, I always preferred the kind of more indoor activities like, sitting in a corner and drawing rather than going outside to play. Overall, I just had never really been good at sport. Like, I really, really tried during my life, but I always had been kind of bad at it. Plus, my health is not very good in general. So, like, sport isn't much for me. Instead, I always had a passion for like learning and creating something. When I was around maybe 5 or 6, so little kid, my two siblings were already teenagers, and they didn't had much time to play with me. So instead, I just find my ways to have fun with their old toys, read books, do DIY. I did a lot of DIY, and with what we call the garderie, where it was like after school, I'd stay with the other kids and we'd like do activities, play together, eat some snack, etc. And I remember that like I stayed there every day after school until like 6 p.m., 6:30 p.m. even. Yeah, and I was always the last one to leave. And I mean, I still cherish those memories because they were very sweet and they still shaped who I am today. And it shaped a lot my perception of art. Then I entered middle school, and it's when I had my like ugly anime girl phase where they looked all kind of odd, to say the least. But the proportions were bad, the colors were bad, and it was really not good. But hey, we'll go through that. We'll go through that, and it kind of feel like a mandatory phase for us, for artists, not to go through like the ugly anime girl phase with the terrible proportion and all. And it was ugly, but I still look fondly at it because at the time I loved doing it and I had a lot of fun. Then for almost a year, so almost a year before, we're around May, June of 2025. So last year, I had almost completely lost a passion for anything, basically, including art. But it never truly left me. I'd still adjust my outfits and do doodles in the corner of my notebooks, so it always stayed with me. I always have been an artist and always will be. It's an inherent part of me, and I just can't imagine my life without it. Just wouldn't really make that as much sense. And I really love art in general, not just like making trades on a paper or having a pretty voice. Because to me, art means many different things, and not just the classic like drawing, making music or playing instruments. I mean, like it can be expressing yourself, translating your view of the world, creating entertainment or creating emotions in other people, connecting with other humans. And that's something that I really love. Art is so deeply human. There's like this whole lived experience behind it, and it can be taken out. That's why AI also can make art. It can copies. So I call it AI copies, not AI art. It isn't art, it is stolen. It is stolen copies from real artists. And I hate it a lot. And you should too. So I hate AI copies. I love art and I think humans are actually awesome. But what else do I like? The another thing that I like will be probably the subject of my next long form videos. I intend to maybe release one next week if I can, one or two. About I was thinking, the video games that I play the most right now are Genshin Impact, Honkai Star Rail, and Zenless Zone Zero. So I was thinking maybe either a video on like the things that I like or want to see more in those games. Which one should you choose between the three? Explaining the basic dynamic of each game, Or maybe something like, the problem with the community is because I noticed some, but I don't have much time right now. This is just like quick videos to tell you about my opinion on art and why I started this channel. So, in resume, I like drawing, I like my friends, I like video games, I like humans, and I like this channel. I now only have 51 subscribers, but it's still a lot to me because it means that there's 51 people in this world who likes what I'm doing. And I know that this probably sounds incredibly small, but to me that's a lot. 51 people is still a lot of people. And so thank you for you who's watching this video. I really can't predict if it will make like 2 views or 200 or even 2000. I know it's kind of crazy to expect to get like even just over 1,000 views with a video like that, but I'm hoping, and I just really want to like share my view of the world and connect with other humans and just have fun. So I won't be that serious. I intend on maybe also starting on like other social media, so maybe posting a bit on Pinterest, and I will see if I can on Twitter because apparently there's a lot of community there. But so I want to post like fan arts and OC art and just like overall silly stuff that I like. So I really hope that you will enjoy my video, that I'm not too annoying, that you will subscribe, because again, just for you subscribing, it doesn't ask a lot. It's just clicking on the button, and to me it means so much. Every time I get even one more subscribers, it makes me so happy. So please, if you can subscribe, do it. It will make me incredibly happy. If you don't, then it's fine too. I'm not like forcing anyone, but just thank you for even just watching that video.